This training video overviews the Avigilon H5A Thermal camera and the junction box. For more information, consult the H5A Thermal camera installation guide. The guide can be accessed on the Avigilon website. Let's take a closer look at the junction box. Located here are the points for installing the camera to the junction box. Highlighted here are the mounting hook slots. These slots hold the camera to the junction box while connecting the required cables. These mounting holes are used for securing the junction box to the mounting surface. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera's rear view. The Ethernet port accepts an Ethernet connection to a network. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. The mounting screws are used to secure the camera to the junction box. This tag provides device information, product serial number, and part number details. While connecting the required cables, use these mounting hooks to attach the camera to the junction box. Located here are the power and input-output cables. These cables connect the camera to the auxiliary power and I/O devices. Highlighted here is the configuration panel cover. Remove the cover to access the SD card slot, the micro USB port, and the link and connection status LED indicators. The card slot accepts an SD card for onboard storage. The amber link LED indicates if there is an active connection in the Ethernet port. The green connection status LED provides information about the device's operation. For more information on this topic, consult the appropriate training video. Shown here is the micro USB port, which accepts a micro USB to USB adapter. This port is only required when using the USB Wi-Fi adapter. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera's side view. The adjustable mount arm is used for positioning the camera. This adjustable sun shroud helps protect the lens against glare from the sun. The adjustment screws provide a locking mechanism for the mount arm. This summarizes the important information for the H5A Thermal camera and the junction box. Before installation, familiarity with the key elements will expedite the installation process.